Picture it's 1995, you're driving around in Miami in a Porsche 964 Turbo. I can because it reminds me of Bad Boys, one of my favourite all-time movies. Unfortunately, we don't have the Miami weather, but we do have a Porsche 964 Turbo. Let's go do some skids. I can't believe I'm driving a 964 Porsche Turbo. Oh my days. Not only is it my favourite car from one of my all-time favourite movies, Bad Boys, I kind of feel like Will Smith or Martin Lawrence in that respect, if I'm honest. It's also a turbocharged, rear-engine, rear-wheel drive, well, Widowmaker. So on the move, what is this 964 like? Well, with the modifications, yeah, it's a bit of a beast. You know, there is a bit of lag, old school turbo lag, but once it's on song, the power delivery is so linear. Obviously, being an old school 911, you've got this beautiful steering, you know. Well, the steering wheel itself is not nice to look at, but just in terms of feel and feedback, is just delicious. Gearbox, 5-speed manual, a bit longer in throw, but so mechanical, and you've got to work with it. You've got to blip up on the upshift and blip down on the downshift. It's proper. And then if you can hear the little chirps on overrun with the turbos, it's proper. Down some UK B roads, you can have some proper engaging fun in this car, mainly because you've got a lot going on. This car feels fundamentally, properly rear-engined, and I suppose with those turbos planting it down on the rear axle, it's even more turbocharged than you think with the weight over the back axle. It does hop around a bit. The front end does want to skip. I did go down a couple of bumpy roads, B roads, and hit an undulation, and then the front end just went up in the sky, and I completely lost steering at one point. That was quite frightening, but you've got to give this car so much respect, so much respect. And to slide, you can get it to move around a bit. You've got to trail on the brakes and obviously work with that rear engine balance, but when you get it right, oh man, it's just so good. And the noise, yeah, it's proper. It's seriously quick. I'm not surprised if this car is on par with a 991 Carrera S, the turbocharged Carrera S, because do you know what? It actually feels quicker. It does feel real quick. And in the good hands of a racing driver or someone who knows what they're actually doing, oh, it can keep up with the big boy supercars, that's for sure.
This particular example has had a few special bits done to it, like a Blitz K5C turbocharger and a Motec ECU. The results are scarcely fast.